Hi, I'm Dan McGuinness, and this is Sounds from Home. I'd like to thank Spearfish UMC for having me, and Rodney Garnett, thank you very much. This first song is sort of a hopeful song that I wrote. It's called Somehow. Do you see the moon I see? When the evening comes, do you think of me? It takes forever, just a day at a time, and I won't stop till you're mine on mine. Say goodnight, not right now. I can't lose you to tomorrow, gotta keep you somehow. So let's fall asleep the old-fashioned way, guided by my heart, my arms will take you away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything's fine. Somehow, gotta feel you somehow, gotta touch you somehow, somehow. Feel your breath softly on my face, the passion in your voice takes me to that place. Your fingers roam with a mind of their own. When you close your eyes, I'll never leave you alone. Gonna hold you somehow, gotta feel you somehow, gotta touch you somehow, somehow. Do you see the moon I see? When the evening comes, do you think of me? It takes forever, just a day at a time, and I won't stop till you're mine on mine. This next song is going to be off an album I have coming out. This is called Louisi-Anna, a song about a crush, more or less, many a moons ago. Oh, Louisiana, where have you gone? This next song is called Glendale Moon. When I walk outside at night, I get a feeling from the moon, and I'm feeling alright. I'm not leaving anytime soon. I get a feeling from the moon at night. I get a feeling, yes I do. When her love glares down on me, no longer am I feeling blue. Glendale Moon, Glendale Moon. Take a stroll on a rocky shore and see the diamonds in the sky. Then I ask myself why she's not here now. Yeah, I ask myself why. Then I lay awake in the middle of the night. I wanna hang my head and cry. Glendale Moon, Glendale Moon, Glendale. Time and place for everything. I'd like to do it before it goes away. And if I walked away right now, I'd have to live with it every day. I gotta take a walk in the moonlight now and see you one more time. Try everything that I have inside to make sure you are mine. Glendale Moon, Glendale Moon, Glendale Moon. I'll see you soon. This next one, I'll tell a quick story about it. My father is from Dublin, Ireland, and in 2004 I went there to perform for the first time. And I was playing a gig at this pub here in Ireland, yeah. And these two guys in the audience were from Norway, and they liked a little bit more than my music. So I wrote a song called Norwegian Switch-Hitters, and it's not about baseball. Walked into the bar, I was singing that tonight. Sat by the stage, had a few beers, I knew something wasn't right. They hardly spoke a word of English, but I gave a benefit of the doubt. Little did I know they were sizing me up, trying to ask me out. They were Norwegian Switch-Hitters, a couple of strange-look fellas indeed. They were two out-of-towners that looked out of place, they were looking at me. Norwegian Switch-Hitters. They criticized America, and I made them a friend just a little more. Little FYI, gentlemen, I don't open that door. could I say? You never want to turn that down. But it made it harder to get away, especially when he followed me around. They were Norwegian Switch-Hitters, a couple of strange-looking fellas indeed. They were two out-of-towners who looked at my place, they were looking at me. Norwegian Switch-Hitters. Out, but there they were, waiting for my autograph. I saw what I could, a napkin or a card, but it gave me just a little laugh. But the smile ran away as they began to say, "Come over after the show." I took a few seconds to think about it, but then I told them no, they were Norwegian Switch-Hitters, a couple of strange-looking fellas indeed. Place they was looking at me. Norwegian Switch-Hitters. A little backstory of this next song, my final song. Again, thank you Spearfish UMC and to Rodney Garnett. Thank you for having me. This next song is called Blue Diamond Revival. And I wrote it, obviously, several years ago, but it's mentioned in the song too, looking down the road of hoping and striving for something big and cool to do with not just my life, but music and whatnot, which I was more or less singing about kind of my favorite band, which is, well, one of them, Creedence Clearwater. And being the lead singer for Creedence Clearwater Revisited is kind of what manifested when I wrote this song, if that makes any sense at all. So here we go. It's called Blue Diamond Revival. Looking back down the road, I see myself as a young boy, and the light was shining in my eyes. My eyes were closed. What's that I see? Sun shining down on me, saying go where your heart is, boy. It's about time that I came around. Everything is there in front of me, with all the years and the time wasted, but never looking back. Have I been here before? Down these unpaved roads, crawling on eggshells right into my blue diamond revival. Blue diamond revival. Blue diamond revival. I hear a song, I hear a voice, I begin to fall in love. One by one I start to grow. Little did I know, the moon's finding its way through the clouds as the rain comes down. I close my eyes and I get my blue diamond revival. Blue diamond revival. Blue diamond revival. Day after day I look around and I know I belong here. And don't you know that a diamond's forever, and this one's here to stay. With all the love in the world and almost nothing to say, I give my thanks every day to my Blue Diamond Revival. Blue Diamond Revival. Blue Diamond Revival. Blue Diamond Revival. Thank you very much. I hope everyone's doing well and healthy. Thank you.